All right, so we got some products we're working on my son's truck. It's a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. And he wants some cool lights for it, so we got these people to, I'm gonna say auxito. I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's how we're gonna say it, auxito. So these right here, these are for his, the backup lights, so that they'll be nice and bright so you can see you're backing up, which you see already, he already spray tinted his tail lights, so they look cool. They did that after school with so to make everything match look good, we got these smoked, or actually tinted, I guess we'll call it, third brake light, and there's white LEDs in there. So it's really cool. Look, we actually hooked up the battery lit up, so it looks really nice. So this is for up there for the back of his truck. And the truck doesn't have cab lights on it yet, so he wanted to add cab lights. So they actually have this cab light kit. Same thing, where they're like the white LED lights shining in there, and they're tinted. So he's going to go ahead and add cab lights. Everything comes with all new seals, wires, fuse. It comes with a switch, but I think we're probably just gonna hook it up to when the marker lights come on. I think that'd just be a little easier. But there is a switch if you want to go that route. So it looks like a pretty simple kit. He's just gonna have to figure out how to get his headliner down. I want to help him a little bit, maybe, if he's nice. So we'll see what happens. So let's get working on this thing and get it on. All right. Oh, we got Braden up here doing the work right now. He's taking out the screws.
Easy work here.
Yeah, it's only 90 something degrees out, but
It's 92.
gotta turn the fan off because it's a little noisy. You can't hear much with it on. See that beautiful Camaro and the reflection of his back window sitting outside. This should be an easy job.
This roof needs repainted.
Everything needs repainted always. Except for my Camaro. It's been on there for 23 years and still looks good. Because you haven't messed with it yet.
Oh.
Look at that. I taught him righty tighty lefty loosey, and he's pretty good already.
You're annoying. Alright, let's figure this out. Oh, this is easy. Pop these out.
Do those clips slide down?
Yeah, they won't stay. I don't know why.
Yeah. Let me stop.
Alright.
Got the light out. Gotta clean up the surface where the foam pad's gonna go a little bit. Scrub a dub. Look at that nice Pro Charger hat. Even better yet, look at that. Luminasty stickers. You can get those. They're only $5 if you guys want one. I think you need one. Look on everybody's car.
Just email us and you get one.
It picks up 10 horsepower and 2 miles per gallon.
Sure does.
Not a bad deal.
Alright.
So cleaned up. I guess it's double-sided tape. On both sides, looks like.
Guess like that.
Make sure you got it the right direction.
Looks like it.
Oh boy. What if you should stick it on the wall? No, I guess it don't matter.
I should have. That's a smart idea.
Just look, yeah, it'll be fine. Well, it'll work either way. I always make things too complicated. It's the only way I know how to do things. No pressure. Nobody's watching. Nobody's watching if they don't subscribe.
Yeah.
You just subscribe and keep up on these
Yeah,
things.
subscribers and viewers don't add up at all.
But the viewers just dropped down a bunch in the last 2 videos for some reason. Last video only had like 900 views. I don't know what happened.
Just the way YouTube has it set up, probably.
I guess. Forget the. No, I'm not gonna tell you. 2 things: plug the light in, and then clips.
Which way is this go?
That way.
Huh? This way?
No, the other way.
That kills me because look.
Oh,
yeah, that's fine.
Unless I'm wrong. Clip.
Yeah.
Don't forget to put those clips in there before you stick that on there, because this is going to be sticking. Will that sticky stuff hold the clip in there?
Yeah. Where's the other clip at? Yeah, I need a new one, new light anyways.
Yeah, that one's getting starting to leak.
My other one was leaking bad.
Beautiful Sears Craftsman garage door open up there. Nothing but the fine stuff here.
This thing looks pretty cool already.
Yeah, I like that it doesn't have the two little clear lights on it. It's like all just solid. They didn't angle like that?
Alright,
Downward? I thought they were straight in. I guess not.
it's going in.
That easy.
That was what, 2-3 minutes at the most?
I mean, that's 2 or 3 minutes. Somebody who's not even that handy. I mean, you get somebody that's really handy, mechanical.
That's nice.
Wait a minute, he's the one that does my spark plugs and wires.
Yeah, you can't because you freaking put them backwards.
Yeah, I do. I mess those up. But we did start the car up today, though. We had to put a new piston in it. But I did that right, I think. And we might be doing some more stuff to try to make it a little faster. We'll see what happens. Alright, let's get that on there. Now they go test. Maybe you go hit the brake light while you sit there and hold this.
Yeah, sure.
Good, my arm's getting sore.
Looks pretty cool.
You can't go around that way. Stuff. I don't think you need the key on you now. It work?
No?
Maybe that doesn't work because
Turn the lights on. There we go.
key's gotta be on.
Brake light, and these are bright.
Is that it?
Yeah, they're bright.
I'll turn this one knob all the way to the right. That's like for the outside lights. Oh wow, yeah.
Look good.
I like that. That's cool looking.
They're pretty bright. You can't tell as much on this video, but in my face, they're pretty bright. So,
Is it all down?
yeah, it's off. So we got these in. Now let's go to the taillights. Next easiest thing.
Oh yeah, so you're gonna change out the
Those are pretty easy.
reverse lights?
Yep.
You didn't change. You didn't get LED bulbs for that, did you? For
N-
that?
no,
Like you need to.
I probably should.
Yeah. We'll get those another day.
All right, let's get going.
There it is. All right, so we got a light, and we're gonna change those out and put in the LED lights. All right.
These are easy too. Just Phillips. There's two here, and they pop right out. Done this before when I tinted the taillights at school. They're easy to tint. Just take clear and black paint, or a little bit of black paint. That's all.
They're easy. I've had a turn signal burn out on my truck for like 6 months, and I haven't changed it yet. Probably need to do that. You can tell because it's flashing really fast when I put the right signal on. So it tells you one of the two taillight bulbs are burned out. I figure I got one left, so what's the difference?
I need to clean this.
Yeah, I don't know what's that thing. There's got. So you can see in
It's
there.
probably sand because this was a
I think
flood
the,
truck.
I think the
You
bulb
never
came
know.
out and water flew up in it. Is what it looks like to me.
Well, look at those white lines. Show them the white lines in there. That was how
That's-
high the sand was.
I don't think. No, I think that's just because there
Yeah,
was
that was how high the sand
the
was.
bed
when I
liner
took
was
out
in
the
there,
bed
and there's
liner.
probably sand in there because it's from Florida. The truck's originally from Florida. That's why there's no rust in the sand at all. See how easy that comes out?
stuck.
He probably put it in there with wet paint and stuck in there.
Oh, jeez.
Don't you pull it straight towards you? There's no other screws, right? I think it just slides in a groove.
Yeah, just got the video. You're gonna
All right.
make us look bad.
We're gonna stop this and see if we can figure it out. All right. So simple as sticking a new bulb in. Yeah, he needs to order some LED bulbs for the rest of the tail.
It's a little tighter fit for this thing to go in here, but it still works.
Is that good? Is it on going one way?
I don't know. That one. Yeah, this way.
We'll just check it before we put it back in, maybe.
There we go.
So the LEDs are like polarity, so positive, negative. So before you put it completely together.
We stick this in here. Hold that there.
Let's see if we get a bulb. See if we did it right. Yep, wow, that's bright.
Yeah, they're both pretty bright. That's for sure.
I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's way brighter because this camera kind of filters it out and cleans it up. But it's definitely able to see bagging up. That's awesome. light some auxito. Screws back in.
Yeah, I remember this one was weird. Like these screws didn't want to line up.
Just give it a quick little nudge. No bugs. Nothing goes right together when you're doing body work. Like I always say the word body work, so they call it body work, not body fun. This is kind of part of that. But this is actually fun.
Yeah, when I put these taillights in, they're still a little, not sticky, but they were, you know, still fresh. And I touched it, and I have a fingerprint on that one over there. That's why I couldn't push up against it. It was hard to get these in.
I'm scared to leave marks in it.
I'll have to mark in it.
All right. Well, we got that much done now. So now he needs to figure out how he's going to do this. If he's got to pull the headliner down, or how he's going to do to get this in there. Because right now there's no cab lights on it. But I told him, if anything, he at least measured off my truck so he can figure out the dimensions of where it needs to go.
I have marks up there with Sharpie.
Okay. All right.
4 inches from the side.
Well, let's let him get that figured out, and we'll do some video of that stuff too.
All right, so we'll tar the stand up here, but I have one up here, and I got the template on it, so I'm gonna use the template to make my drawings up here, and it's gonna be 5 inches from here to here, 4 from here to here. So here we go. All right, we're gonna see if it works.
Those are cool.
Ooh, look at that.
Fancy. Fancy things.
Let's go look over here. Oh, great. I like them. They're bright and, man, they stick out. So let's get these things wired up. Check this out. I got a mess, but it'll be fine. They get ran down here, somewhere down here. So let's get going with this and get it finished.